and welcome back to my channel, but this time I'm quarantined for real. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you're new here, I am a junior at the University of Michigan, but I am not at the University of Michigan, as you can tell, wearing old high school apparel because I was not prepared for this quarantine. Yay! So today in quarantine activities, I'm going to be bleach dyeing some sweatsuits in hopes that we have a football season for me to wear them to. And I just realized I left the door open, so I'm gonna go correct that and be right back. So if you see a person pop up behind me, it is my sister. We are enjoying the fact that it is sunny, even though it's March in Illinois, where I am right now. She's right there dribbling a soccer ball. Look at her go. You're doing great, Megan. I think she's ignoring me. So I'm gonna finish this up really quick and make it short and sweet so I can keep playing the music. But basically I'm bleach dyeing some stuff with toilet bowl cleaner. We have all the essentials. I got some toilet bowl cleaner. I stole this from my mom's cleaning closet, which, you know, in these times we are rationing it, but you know, art projects. Then I found some rubber bands in the office drawer. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for never moving anything because they have been there for the entirety of my life. I think these same rubber bands too. We got some gallon-sized Ziploc bags because my mom did hit Costco before the quarantine ensued, so we got a whole bag of those. And then I have Amazon packages, which I did leave outside to let the germs die. And I have the sweatpants and sweatshirts that I'm going to be dyeing. So I got 2 full sweatsuits, one in navy and one in bright blue, and a sweatshirt in maize because I didn't have sweatpants in maize, and I also don't think that I need yellow sweatpants. But so we're gonna try and see how they turn out. So stick around if you want to see that. If you'd like to see more DIYs on this channel, especially during quarantine, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more content from me. Turn on the bell so that you never miss anything that I post, because I tend to be erratic, unfortunately. As much as I try to follow a schedule, I for some reason just can't figure it out. But this is supposed to be a creative project. Anyway, clearly I've had too much caffeine today, and that is my brand. So stick around. I hope to see you somewhere else on the internet if this isn't your thing. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna be honest, leaning over and putting everything in Ziplocs really made me feel very ill. We love a good migraine. But I'm gonna go inside and lay down and let those sit in the sun for a while, and then I will see you when it's time to rinse them out. Okay, so day 2 of this project. I just finished class and I have an hour-and-a-half break to rinse out my stuff and put it in the laundry by itself so that we can see how it turns out. I'm sitting on my toilet, but like, yeah. Anyway, so that took forever. Like the video I think was 20 minutes. My hands are like raw and sore from squeezing out all the bleach. But the navy looks great already. I know that I'm gonna like it just as much as I liked the black one that I did when I was with my sister. It's in a past vlog. You should go watch that. So promo. But the blue and the yellow were hard to tell. The yellow, you could tell it definitely changed colors. And it's like a nice pale yellow kind of now, but I'm hoping that the washing machine brings out some more diversity of color so you can see the pattern. But if not, it'll be cool anyway. And then the blue, I really have no idea how it's gonna look, but we shall find out. So I'm gonna go throw that in the washer and dryer and then get in the shower. Okay, so here's the update. The yellow is subtle, but I love it. It's a really nice soft yellow in the middle, and the pocket kind of has the same subtle effect, so we're vibing. The navy pants, they look amazing. And all the way down the leg, they're just, wow. And then the navy sweatshirt is the same. It looks super dope, so that like whole set will be super cool to wear together. And I'm gonna try everything on for you. The blue sweatshirt, nothing, like absolutely nothing. So I don't know, I haven't decided if I'm gonna try that again or do something different with it. Because the blue pants, so like none of the spirals got anything, like nothing. But then that little like leg that I was gonna do like one leg here and then like a spiral like up here, the leg worked. And so maybe the blue just needs significantly more bleach, but that's the update. And here, watch me try it on and take some photos for the thumbnail, and listen to some music, and I'll get you in a minute. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun doing this, and if you'd like to see me do more DIYs again, give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, quarantine vibes. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I finally have the time to do it. I might crop some stuff. I haven't really figured it all out yet. But if there is a game day in fall to be seen at, you definitely will be seeing some of these pieces. And until then, they will be featured on my TikTok. So head over there and check it out in between videos. And I hope to see you somewhere else on the internet. Bye.